Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by protecting your data, so back up anything irreplaceable to an external drive or cloud. That prevents accidents. Once done, open Disk Cleanup from System Tools and select C. To scan, choose to remove temporary files, system cache, and emptied recycle bin entries. These are the fastest wins. Make sure to click Clean Up System Files to include Windows Update Cleanup. After this pass, note how much free space you recovered before moving to deeper removal steps. Now you perform the more detailed work. Open Control Panel, right arrow programs and features, and uninstall apps you no longer use, sorting by size so you hit the big ones first. Next, in Disk Cleanup, choose More Options and delete all but the most recent system restore point to reclaim space used by shadow copies. Then run a reputable cleaner to clear browser caches and orphaned installers. This removes fragmented leftovers. Make sure to reboot after major uninstallations. To finish, optimize and verify. Run Disk Defragmenter on mechanical drives, do not defrag SSDs, and schedule regular maintenance to prevent future clutter. Next, Audit C. For large user folders and move documents, pictures, and videos to another partition or external drive to keep Windows lean. If you still see low space, run a storage analyzer or bootable disk utility to find hidden giant files. If a problem occurs, check for malware and run chkdisk. That often reveals and fixes corrupt files occupying space.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.